Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how to make delicious Efo Riro. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, keep watching. I'm using beef and shaki for this recipe. You can use any meat that you like. In my beef, I'm going to add pepper, salt and seasoning cubes. You can also add stock like seasoning powders, the all-purpose seasoning powders. You can add that one as well if you like, but that one is optional. But the main thing is just salt, pepper and Maggi cubes or no cubes, Next, I'll add one whole chopped onions and start preparing my peppers and tomatoes for the recipe. I'm using these long peppers and one bell pepper and a few pieces of tomatoes. Tomatoes is optional. You can choose to add tomatoes or not. There are some Efo Riro recipes that I make that I only use peppers, but for this one I'm going to use tomatoes as well. Okay, and I also added scotch bonnet for that kick of a hot taste, but then I'm just going to use sweet peppers and tomatoes for this recipe, which is really nice. I'm also going to add one whole onions into the blend. So I'm going to blend the onions with the peppers and tomatoes. Next, I will add palm oil to my pot and allow the palm oil to heat up. Then I will now add my onions to start frying. Here I'm going to add one whole chopped onions into the oil and then I'll give it a stir. I'll allow this to fry for 1 to 2 minutes before I add the pepper and the tomato blend. Whilst the tomato blend and the pepper blend is boiling, I'm going to check the meat and add crayfish into the meat. You can also add oporoko or other stockfish that you have. For the stew, I'm going to add iru into the stew and allow this to fry with the tomato and peppers and the oil, the palm oil. I'm also going to add crayfish into this stew now. Whilst the stew is cooking, I'm going to start cutting my spinach. For this recipe, I am using baby spinach, but you can also use ugu and other kinds of vegetables that you have. I'm going to chop my spinach into smaller bits and set it aside. This spinach is going to be the last thing that I will put into my Efo Riro. After a few minutes of cooking the stew, I'm going to check it, and I love the way it looks right now. It looks well fried and ready to season. I'm going to add a couple of seasoning cubes into this stew, and then I'll also add a bit of salt and just just a tiny bit of aromat. The one I'm using is aromat. It's just like a seasoning powder, or you can use onga or any other seasoning powder that you have. You can also, it's also optional to use seasoning powder. So if you don't have any seasoning powders, then you can just skip this part. But it's optional. So after cooking for a while, I'm going to add my meat. I'm going to add my meat and my shaki into the stew and allow the meat to suck in the flavor from the stew. So after that has cooked for a little while, just for a few minutes, I'm going to add my spinach. As I said before, spinach is the last thing that I will add into this soup. So I'm going to stir in my spinach and let it cook for 1 to 3 minutes so that the spinach doesn't lose any of its vitamins. So this is the finished Efo Riro. Trust me, this soup is delicious. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly. Thank you once again and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!